Iran has announced it is closing the strategic Strait of Hormuz again and accused the US and Israel of violating the interim peace deal. It comes after at least 20 people are reported to have been killed by Israeli strikes in South Lebanon today. Israel has also accused Hezbollah of firing more than 50 projectiles overnight.
The preliminary agreement between the United States and Iran has barely come into effect, and already it appears close to unravelling. And this is why. Sustained and deadly attacks have continued in South Lebanon, despite the declaration of another ceasefire yesterday. According to Lebanese authorities, Israeli strikes have killed more than a dozen people today, including 2 children and their parents, whose home was struck in the town of Barish. They were all civilians, sleeping peacefully in their home, their neighbour Abbas says. The move has prompted a major response from Iran, with the country this afternoon announcing it would close the strategic Strait of Hormuz again, and appearing to blame the US for failing to prevent Israel from violating the truce.
The other side was obliged to compel those under its influence to cease fire in Lebanon. In this regard, we have seen that they have failed to fulfil their obligations, and this constitutes a clear violation of the ceasefire.
Despite that, Iran has confirmed it will send negotiators to Switzerland after mediator Pakistan announced that follow-up technical-level talks will take place tomorrow. US Special Envoy Steve Witkoff and Donald Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner are also expected to attend. Whether the talks will focus on the next phase of negotiations or on getting the initial deal back on track remains unclear. Kate Farley, RTE News.